How to choose the right gate for your home. Have you ever been walking by a house and getting caught in its doorway? You might bring new life to your home and are thinking about an entrance that perfectly reflects the spirit of your house. Indeed, the portal you accept is more than just a way to get in. It also represents the spirit of your home and often creates the first impression for visitors. So, how to choose the right gate for your home, understanding the importance of a home gate. Looking into the depths of a home gate is much more than that. A portal should be just as carefully matched to the building's physical style as it is to the personal style of the one who lives there. Like carefully matching shoes to the outfit, protecting the privacy and sanctity of those safely within. The color also helps to show your personality, and it defines the general atmosphere of the area. Essentially, a gate is not simply useful but a demonstration of a designer's attention to detail with regard to the balance between security and style. How to choose the right gate for your home. While many people think of gates only as complicated obstacles or simple entry points, they actually hold more meaning than that. To get through the complicated maze of options, you need to break them down into many different areas carefully. Purpose of the gate. There is more to a portal's purpose than just being a simple entrance or exit. It takes on a range of roles depending on the custodian's wants and needs. For a fraction, the importance of a gate may depend on defense, which creates an impenetrable wall against possible invaders. For some, visual appeal is the most important thing, and the site changes into an artistic statement of personal style. Also, areas that are home to young creatures or plants might look for portals that stop them from going off alone. The key to finding the perfect gate is determining its true function, whether it be for security, aesthetics, or something else entirely. Material options. Picking a doorway is the most important part of making a material choice. It controls not only how attractive something looks, but also how long it lasts and what care it needs. With gates, they have a timeless appeal and come in a variety of colors and patterns. But their beauty comes with a catch. They need careful attention to keep them from falling apart and animals getting in. Metal gates. They give strength and unceasing security, as they are metal-made iron or aluminum. They have complex designs, starting from labyrinths to simple structures. Despite this, they can sometimes change their minds, requiring touch-ups. Vinyl gates. Modernism is signified by vinyl portals that do not require elaborate upkeep. It is good for mimicking other substances, rendering you immune from attacks from the outside. Nevertheless, they may not feel as real as their real peers. Design and aesthetics. Design complexity and aesthetical appeal are important factors when selecting a doorway. Indeed, the doorway is the epitome of the styling and character of the house. Nowadays, modern architectural designs of buildings typically have simple entrances with straight lines and perfect finishing. Conversely, houses with a vintage or retro appeal, e.g., Victorian-styled retreats, should sport grandly worked entrances like wrought iron designs. The most important thing is to ensure that all pieces fit correctly and have a smooth opening. Security features. Portal security improvements have grown a lot, effectively dealing with modern problems. Implementing features like encrypted touchpads grants limited access, letting only thoroughly checked people in. Surveillance sites improve security by keeping track of and watching everything that happens in the portal. Infrared sentinels and motion sensors can also be combined to send alerts when unexpected changes happen. Individual safety needs must be evaluated, keeping in mind that the doorway serves a purpose beyond mere decoration. It turns out to be a strong defender, the most important defense against possible attackers. Budget considerations. When looking for the perfect gateway, financial considerations are very important. The range of costs is affected by the material, the complexity of the design, and the level of craftsmanship. Customized sites that reflect specific design quirks and sizes usually come at a higher cost. Because of this difference, setting a financial boundary ahead of time helps narrow down options, avoiding waste while keeping the desired appeal and practicality. Basically, being aware of financial constraints leads to a smooth, focused portal pondering trip. Popular types to choose the right gate for your home. Portals show up in a variety of shapes, each one designed to fit a different need, space, or visual preference. Among the revered are sliding gates. Sliding portals are the best solution for farms that don't have a lot of room for cars. These gates move smoothly from side to side, usually on rails. Blending together perfectly without losing strength, their plan makes the best use of space, allowing for easy entry. Swing gates. These are examples of timeless beauty. They can be a single structure that sways or a group of two or more structures that open in the middle. They can rotate either inside or outside, which works well for wide roads. Their traditional beauty makes residence managers love them forever. Bifolding gates. These add a modern touch and are made up of multiple panels that fold at the same time. Their small size combined with avant-garde style works well with broad boundaries, giving realism with a touch of modernity. Maintenance and durability to choose the right gate for your home. When choosing a link, you must take advantage of maintenance and longevity. If you see it as a long-term investment, you need to know how to protect it and the time to it last. Even though lumber doors are attractive, they may need to be varnished often to keep their shine and stop them from breaking down. On the other hand, steel gates, which are praised for being strong, may need help to stop oxidation. Harmonizing visual appeal with maintenance duties makes sure that the link enhances the properties, appearance, and continues to do its job for ages. It's a magical mix of beauty and determination. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Make sure to turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest content. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing more valuable tips with you in the future.